Sometimes you might find that your Conexis has shifted slightly on the door, resulting in the motor overrunning because it's slightly out of alignment on the door. To resolve this, it might be necessary to rehand the lock. The procedure to do this is as follows. First of all, remove the top cover so you can see the R button that's underneath the module. Open the door so it's out of the frame. Next, hold down the R button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, you'll hear the lock double beep. Push the handle firmly all the way down, hold for a second and then let go. Pull the handle all the way up, hold for a second and then let go. You should then find that the handle is locked. If it is, that's all good and your Conexis is realigned.